Okay, today's March 23rd, 2021. I thought I'd go over opening up your pond. Today was a beautiful day for me to open up the koi pond. So you can see the fish are up and ready to get fed, but it's still a little early for food. They can eat tons of the slime, the algae that's on the side of the pond and root around for at least another 2 or 3 weeks. Then after that, they'll start on some lettuce, maybe some peas, and some watermelon. Then another week or two, I'll start the regular protein and fat, regular koi food, wheat germ, high wheat germ food. I have some mandafu also that they can start with. But again, they're at least 2 weeks away from anything, and it is going to start getting cold. So I started up the small filter, and you can probably see it's got a little bit of a waterfall going, and I'll show you how that's connected up. And step 2 is the skimmer. So there's the skimmer box. I cleaned it all out, and I recommend that people keep that on a separate circuit. So this way you just have to turn it on, and then your waterfall will start to go. This way I can keep the waterfall going during the day while it's warm, and if we get another cold snap, I can just leave it off and just have the trickle filter running. So there's the regular waterfall that I'll have going during the day, especially while it's nice and warm. You can see the fish love it. They're having a good time swimming around once I turn the waterfall on. And everybody looks good. They had a good winter. No issues per se. I did about 150 gallon water changes now. There's the hose going in. I don't use Dechlor. I use a filter. And the filter that I use is called Big Blue. So there's my Big Blue water filter. So the hose comes in, it gets filtered, the chlorine and any more junk gets filtered out, and then this hose brings me right into the koi pond. So this way I don't have to use Dechlor. The water's nice and fresh, and again, the fish seem happy about it. They like to hang out under that. Okay, so as far as the bottom drain goes, that's what I cleaned out today to get the trickle filter going. So I have a bottom drain in the center of the pond that empties out into the bottom here, and it goes into these vortex filters. So the easiest way to clean the pond, especially this time of year, is just to open and close that valve down there, which goes into the first chamber, and then I use this pump just to pump the water out and all the leaves and all the junk that is accumulated over the winter. Then after that, it's all biological. Step 2, step 3, step 4, and then it runs up into a 5th box right there. It's another barrel, which is pretty much just full of shells. So that brings my total alkalinity or my hardness back into the pond, especially if the water gets thick. And then that trickles down from the waterfall. Okay, so it's a very easy opening today. I'm happy that the fish are good. The winter wasn't that terrible for them. And in another couple of weeks, I'll be feeding them by hand, so you can see them all come up and eat from my hand. They're all pretty much all trained at this point. And that's it. Okay, enjoy. Thank you. Bye.